NCERT mathematics exercise, and our chapter was coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, that was our chapter. That is the distance formula, distance between the 2 points. Now we are doing question number 7.1, exercise 7.1, NCERT. EX 7.1, hope you are able to see it. EX 7.1 of NCERT. EX we are doing exercise 7.1. EX, hope you are able to see the board. EX 7.1. EX 7.1 of NCERT. Now up to question number 4, question number 3 we have done. Next we will start from question number 4. Check whether -5, 2, question number 4, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. From question number 4, I am starting. Now in question number 4, it is given that, hope you are able to see it. In question number 4, it is given us that check whether the points 5, -2, 5, -2, next 6, 4, next 7, -2, 7, -2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So let us take this as point P, this as point Q, and this as point R. So again PQ or PQ, that is modulus of PQ. So that's equals to how much? Root over of 5 - 6 whole square plus -2 - 4 whole square. That's equals to root over of 2 square, root over of -1 square plus this will be -6 square. So that's equals to root over of +1 plus 36. So that's equal to root over of 37. Next we have to find the distance of QR. So QR, mod of QR, that's equals to (6 - 7) whole square plus 4 minus of -2 whole square. Now 6 minus, that means -1 whole square plus 6 whole square. That means root over of 37. So as you can see that if we take one triangle, this triangle, this type of triangle, so if this Q, this is P and this is R, if it is so, so we are saying that in this triangle QP is equals to QR. Understand? So means this is root 37 and this is also root 36. So we can easily tell that yes, it is forming an isosceles triangle. That is, yes, these are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Understand? Next move to question number 5. Now, in question number 5, in question number 5, it is given that in a classroom of 4 friends are seated at a point A, B, C and D as shown in the figure. So here one figure is given. Question number 5. NCERT book. I am following the NCERT book. NCERT book. Okay. SI 7.1. Question number 5. Hope you are able to see the picture of figure 7.8. Now here some rows are given, some column are also given. So here it is told that in a classroom of 4 friends are seated A, B, C and D as shown in the figure, and Chameli walks into the class after observing for a few minutes. Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Now Chameli disagree. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Now from the figure we can see that the coordinate of A from figure 7.8 coordinate of A, the coordinate of A, that will be, coordinate of A will be 3,4. B, coordinate of B will be, that will be 6,7. Next, coordinate of C should be 9,4. And coordinate of D should be 6,1. Now we have to find AB. So AB is equals to, again I'm just writing that AB is equals to root under of 3 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. That's equals to root under of minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. So that's equals to root over of 9 plus 9 means root 18. Hope you are able to see it. This will be root 18. Next, AB we have to find. Next we have to find BC. Distance between B and C. That should be 6 minus 9 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. That will be minus 3 square plus 3 square. That equal to plus 9 means root 18. So the distance between AB and BC are same. Next means our square structure should be this type, or our quadrilateral structure should be this type. A, this is A. Next, this is B. Next, this is C. This is D. Next, we have to find AB. We have to find. Next, BC. We have already find. Next, CD. So CD means root over of 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. That means root over of minus 3 square plus minus 3 square means root over of 18. Next we have to find AD. AD, that's equals to root over of 6 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. AD. So that's equals to root over of minus 3 square plus minus 3 square means root over of 18. So we can see that here from here AB is equals to BC is equals to CA is equals to AB is equals to BC is equals to CD, not CA, CD is equals to DA. Means all the four sides are same. So it is a square. So Champa was right. Champa was right. Champa, we can write the answer that Champa was right. I am writing the answer here that Champa was right or correct. Hope you are able to see the board. Next move to question number 6. Now in question number 6, name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. Now question number 6. Next come to question number 6. Now next come to question number 6. Now in question number 6, question number 6. In question number 6, it is told us that name the type of quadrilateral form. So first, the first group that is given here is minus 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma minus 2. Next 1 comma 0. Next minus 1 comma 2. Next minus 3 comma 0. So this is my A point, this is B, this is C point, this is D. We have to find AB first. AB is equals to root over of minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 whole square. That means root over of minus 2 square plus minus 2 square. That means root over of 4 plus 4, that is equal to root over of 8. Next BC. BC equals to root over of 1 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. That's equals to root over of 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. That's equals to root over of 8. Next AB, BC we have find. Next CD. CD we have to find. CD equals to root under of minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus two minus 0 whole square. That's equals to root under of 4 square plus 2 square. That's equals to root under of 16 plus 4 means root 20. Next dA that's equal to root under of minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus minus plus 2 whole square means dA. That's equal to minus 3 minus 1 or minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 plus 2 whole square. That means dA is equals to minus 1 next CD equals to root under of minus 1 plus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. That's equals to root under of 2 square plus 2 square. That's equals to root under of 8. Next CD is given. Next dA is equals to minus 3 plus 1 whole square. Minus 3 plus 1 and this. So that's equals to root under of minus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square. That's equals to root under of 8. So you can see that AB is equals to, here also AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Means all the four sides are equal. So it is a square. The quadrilateral is a quadrilateral forming by these four coordinates, that is a square. Okay. Next move to another question. Next I am taking question number 2, question number Roman 2. Question number Roman 2. What is given in question number Roman 2? Question number Roman 2, it is given that minus 3, 5 next 3, 1 next 0, 3 next minus 1, minus 4. This is my A point, B, C and D. So AB is equals to root under of minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square. That's equals to root under of minus 6 whole square plus 4 whole square. Means root under of 36 plus 16 means root under of 52. Next BC equals to root under of 3 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. So that's equals to root under of 3 square plus minus 2 square. That's equals to root under of 9 plus 4 means root 13. Next come to BC, next come to CD. Quickly I am rounding over here. CD equals to 0 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square. That's equal to root under of minus 1 square plus 7 square. That's equal to root over of 1 plus 49 means root 50. Next dA that's equals to root under of minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 whole square. dA, so that's equals to minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3 whole square. So that's equals to root under of 2 whole square, and this will be plus 81 root under of 85. So here we can see that it is a quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral. Okay. Only we are coming that here AB not equal to BC, not equal to CD, not equal to DA. So it is a quadrilateral with all the sides are unequal. So it's only a quadrilateral. We can see that the distance are means distance are not matching to each other. So it is a quadrilateral, but it is a not special type quadrilateral. We can see that. Okay, not special type. So we can say that this is not a special type quadrilateral. So it is not a special type quadrilateral. Special type quadrilateral. Next come to the third one. Now what is given in the third question? It is given that 4, 5 7, 6, next 4, 3, next 1, 2. So this is my A, this is B, C, this is D. Now AB is equals to root under of 4 minus 7 whole square plus 5 minus 6 whole square. That's equals to root under of minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square, root under of 9 plus 1 root 10. Next BC, that's equals to 7 minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square. That's equals to 7 minus 4 means plus 3 whole square plus 3 whole square means root under of 18. Next ABBC, next CD equals to root under of 4 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square means root under of 3 square plus 1 square means root under of 9. All should be in unit, root 8 unit, root 18 unit, this will be root 9 unit, and CD next DA. DA is equals to 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square. That's equals to root under of minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. That's equals to root over of 18. So here we can see that BC and DA, that is, if we draw the quadrilateral over here, A, B, C, D. So here BC and DA are root. This should be root 10 unit. So BC and DA will be root 18 unit. This will be root 18. This will be root 18. And AB and DC. This will be root 10 unit. Root 10. This will be root 10. So obviously we can see that in this quadrilateral the opposite sides are equal. So it is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Hope you are able to understand it. Next, some question more left here. Will come and join in our next video to solve that. Till then, do subscribe my channel. Please see my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please support me. Thank you.